Hi guys, this is Manoj M from Market Ideas for Profit, and what we are going to do in this video is we are going to assess what happened in our Swingers Club uh, trades that we posted over the weekend, over the last week, starting the Monday, which was the 25th, I think, of the last week. So we will assess the entire trades that were given and what was the progress of these trades while the week went, and where are we in the evolution of those trades once we entered into the setups. So I'm going to share my screen, and what we are going to do is we are going to go through the entire trade. So this is the group. So what I'm going to show you is this is the group on which we share our Swingers Club India. This is where we share all our trades. So I'm going to take you to this is the Monday, 24th actually. 24th is not. Is it the 24th? Yeah, I think it is the 24th or the 25th, whatever. So this is the first trade that we got. This is the RBL Bank for 1 week, and this is on the weekly time frame. So I'm going to go to the RBL chart. We're going to dive in straight into these charts because it could be a long video and we don't want it to stretch a lot. So we will go to the weekly chart of the RBL Bank and assess what happened to this trade during the week. So if you see, we started off with a bang in this week. We scripted the trade on Monday and we reached the target on the last day of the month of the week. So in 5 days flat, we got to our targets. Was a great trade to start our week with, and we got to our targets in designated time. 234 to 251 is 18 points. This is a 5,000 lot futures lot, and it could have given you about 75 to 80,000 depending on it is 16 points. So it would have given you 80,000 in profits in the time. In fact, it exceeded my expectations and went up right up to 256. So you could safely say somebody who took the trade could have made about 90,000 rupees on that trade itself. That's an amazing result. Let's go to the next one. The next one was Bajaj Finance, and I had predicted that it might go down. If it went below 7471, we should have taken a short. And let's see what happened on this trade. So this was Bajaj Finance. And what happened here? So we didn't get this trade. We didn't get a trigger. In fact, it went in the opposite direction and we went higher. So this was Friday. This was Monday. We opened gap up and we haven't retracted back into this area. So the possibility is that if we retract back into this area, this trade is still alive. Currently, it has gone in the other direction. There was some news of a QIP and some fundraising in Bajaj Finance that has created this imbalance, and the market has reacted positively on that news, and that's how we've got a bounce. So in this trade, we didn't get a trigger, so we did not enter. Let's go to the next trade. The next trade is RBL Bank. This was just an update, so this was not a trade. Continuously updating what's happening. Let's look at MCX. Now, this is a trade that I released on the 24th of September, which was over the weekend. I had already expected the price is going to go higher. So I said buy above 1823, and my target is 20,071. So let's see what happened in this trade. This is MCX, and let's see what happened. Oh my, we got the target in this trade too. This was a beautiful trade again. And see how beautifully we've gone where we started the week somewhere here. Or we started the week here, which was we tracked back and we went above 1823. This was Monday. We went above 1823. This was the 25th. And we've got a beautiful trade of approximately how many? We've got a trade. Oh, it is giving me, the chart is giving me, we've got a trade of 240 points. 240 points in 400 rupees, 400 shares per lot. This trade is giving you a lakh of rupees. Now imagine, guys, 2 trades and you made 1 lakh plus 1 lakh. You made about 1,80,000 plus 1,20,000. You've already made 2 lakhs on 2 trades that I gave you in the last week. On just one lot, Imagine that's just one lot of trading. If you've had multiple lots, you run fantastic. So these two trades were fantastic. Let's look at the third one, Sundaram Finance. Okay, let's see what Sundaram Finance gave us. Sundaram Finance. Sundaram Finance. This is Sundaram Finance. And yeah, this trade was given on the 25th. This was Monday. We went up and we went up pretty well. We managed to get about a peak of 275 points, and we did fall back later in the day because of the weakness in the market. But imagine, we've already scored 270 points. So even if you would have booked about 100, 200 points, this trade again would have given you a fantastic return. Let's track what is the FNO size of Sundaram Finance. I don't know whether they have an FNO. I don't think they have an FNO. We don't think they have an no, I think, let me check. Sundaram Finance. Does it have a futures segment? I have not traded this stock, frankly. Oh, so there is a futures price in this. And what is the lot size? What is the lot size here? No, let me just check. I think I'm looking at the wrong information. Sundaram Finance futures lot size. Let us look at it if they have a lot size. Future shares stock. I don't think they have a futures. Anyway, I suppose they don't have a futures price, but you must have taken some quantity. And okay, we could have just checked it here. Sundaram Finance, no, it doesn't have a futures contract. So even if you take 100 shares, you would have made about 25,000 rupees on this move too. So that's a good move in itself. That's a good third trade to have. And we've scored from the first three trades that I gave you that weekend, we've already scored pretty heavily. And now this is the chart of SRF, and we are tracking to see if it goes down. This is the daily chart of SRF. Let's go to the daily chart. And SRF Limited. We could have dealt in the futures on that, actually. So if you see, we have tagged our first target at 2170. So that's the fourth trade in a row that has given us the money that we were looking at. So this again is a beautiful trade. You have about 121 points, and I think it's a $300, 300 rupee or 250 share lot. So that this short would have given you about 30,000. Guys, keep up the score. We are close to about 2.50 on our profits in the current week, just on the four trades that I've given you in the beginning of the week. Let's go to the fifth one, Tata Invest. Guys, Tata Invest. Let's look at Tata Invest. Tata Invest. And I gave you the trade at the beginning where we mentioned the trade was somewhere in this area. We gave the trade when the price was at 282963, and my first target was 3126. I was expecting about 300 point rise, 200 point rise. And what did we get in? What did we get? Boy, we were here. This was 25th. Actually, I gave it on the 24th night, over the weekend. So we have scored. We were here somewhere. I think we were here somewhere, and we scored. How much have we scored? We scored close to. At the peak, we scored about 500 points. But even if you considered profits, another 200 points in this trade. Somebody wise would have taken better. So investment of 100 shares would have given about 30,000 here too. Let's raise our total to 275. 2.75 lakhs from all the five trades that I've given you. 5 out of 5 till now, guys. 5 out of 5. Let's look at Gujarat Ambuja. Let's look at Gujarat Ambuja. GAEL. This is Gujarat Export, sorry. GAEL. So that's Gujarat GAEL. Gujarat Ambuja Exports. Let's see what this gave us. Wow, we've done well on this trade too, guys. We were at 315, and the end of the week, we are at 348. That's another 30 points in the bag. So even if you took 1,000 shares, a 3 lakh rupee investment would give you 10% return. That's a 10% return, guys. So we're at 2 lakhs plus now. 3 lakhs plus, sorry. 3 plus lakhs. Now that's 6 out of 6. How good is that, guys? How good is that? Let's go to the next one. And we have Trent. Let's see what Trent has given us. Trent did give us some bounce, and then it gave a base at the bounce. So this is Trent. So Trent is languishing back where it was. So Trent has not given us a move, and we are where we were at this point of time. So this is the trade that is in progress. We haven't hit our stop losses. We are still in progress on this trade, and it did give us some bounce, but has retracted back to the buying area. So if anybody books some partials, you've made some gains here, but we're not going to account for it in this week. So we've not made any money here. Standing at 3.25. This is the 7th trade, and we haven't had any losses, and we've scored with 6 of them. Let's look at this RailTel Corporation, guys. This was on a 4-hour chart. So let's go to RailTel. We've had a tough week in the end of the week. So I don't know what this chart gave you. So we haven't done much on this chart, guys. Let me check. Let us go to the 4-hourly. And we have not been able to score with the chart as yet. We have gotten entry, but we have retracted back. Though I don't think we've hit our stop losses, we are still in the trade and haven't scored with this as yet. So this is the 8th trade. We haven't had any stop losses, but we've had 2 trades that are in progress, 6 successes. Let's keep track of these guys. And now we are in Biocon. Let's see what Biocon did. I'd expected the stock to go lower. This is again on a daily chart. Let's see what Biocon did. Biocon Limited on a daily chart, and what has it given us? Well, it did give us a breakdown, but has recovered, and it has taken our stop loss, I guess. So in this case, I don't think it's a stop loss that's going to hurt us. We did score some points out of this trade, and normally what my strategy says is if you exceeded some or move beyond your point, you should be trailing your stop to cost, and we have stopped out at cost. So this is a trade that stopped out at cost. Still, we have a positive result. But yes, it did go totally against us, and it has gone in the upward direction. But now we are in a position where I'm going to release a trade. We're looking at a trade, retracement in this stock. Anyway, as far as this trade goes, we have a stop out, but in my strategy, that would have been at cost. If you did not take a stop loss, the stop loss should have been at the top of the box, and you would have lost some points, maybe about 3-4 points. That's not much, but yeah. You could say if you didn't follow my strategy, you end up losing 10,000 rupees on a futures lot. So this is the 10th trade and the first stop loss in our books in the last week's releases. And then we have this trade, which is Gujarat Gas. Let's see what this did. This is on a 1-day release. This was released on the 26th. This was midway, not in the beginning of the week, but a day later. This was more like an intraday trade, released on the 26th. And on the 1-day chart, let's see what Gujarat Gas did. Let me just check if it was a futures chart. No, it is the Gujarat. No, it's not a futures chart. Let's see what this gave us. Gujarat Gas on the NSE on the daily time frame. What did it give us? Oh, guys, we got through this trade beautifully. We got through this trade beautifully. We not only went low, we went lower, in fact. So I targeted just about 12 points, and we got much more. So 12 points is a good move. We've got a good move. Now, what is the lot size of Gujarat? I don't remember the lot size of Gujarat Gas. Let's get to know what is the lot size of Gujarat Gas. Lot size. And the lot size of Gujarat Gas. What do we have? What do we have? Share stock. FNO lot size, I should say. Gujarat Gas FNO lot size. So Gujarat Gas FNO lot size. What is the lot size here? Can you get to know here? And I'm so bad at this. 1100. 1100 is the lot size, I guess. What is it? Traded price. Where's the lot size, guys? Please help me. New expiry date. OI. No, I think. Max traded price. Cumulative OI. My God, why are they not giving me the lot sizes here? Lot size 1250. 1250 is your lot size. So 1250, and what is the move that we captured? 1250 into 1250 into 12, can we say that? Yeah, 1250 into 12 is like 20,000. No, 1250 into 12 is like 18,000, 17,000. So let's get back. We're about 3.25 plus on our trades. So that's counting 11, 7 successes out of 11, guys. 7 successes out of 11. Sorry, we are 10. We are 10, 7 successes. We are 2 in progress and 1 on the stop loss. So that's what we have. And now let's go to Bajaj Auto. This was again on a daily time frame. Let's see what Bajaj Auto gave us. Bajaj Auto. On a daily time frame, Bajaj Auto. Well, it didn't trigger, so we didn't have a trigger here. So it's 11, and we don't have a trigger here. Subsequently, somewhere in the middle, I released a buy call on this, and we nearly got this. But yeah, at this point, the short trade didn't work out. So that's 11 trades, 7 successes. Now let's go to Britannia. This is on the 4-hour. Britannia 4-hour. So why don't I see my trade? Okay, I saw my trade here, and look, it gave us the profits that we deserved. No, this is daily. We gave the trade on the 26th. On the 26th, we got the trade, and it scored, gave us the, well, now how beautiful is that? I gave you the exact level, like such a lovely profit figure I gave you, because exactly from there, we've had this fall. How beautiful is that trade? So what did we get? We got about 42 points. Now, what is the FNO? Let's say Britannia. Let's go to Britannia here and see what is the lot size of Britannia. My God, I'm going wrong. Let's go to Britannia. Britannia, Mari. Britannia, Mari. What is the lot size here? Oh, guys, what is the lot size? Where do we find the lot size? I'm so sorry. I should have been doing my homework before I release this video. But yeah, I think it is about, my God, I'm not even FNO, which is screen corporate option chain. I don't know where you get the lot size. Okay, let's forget. We probably made some good money. Let's take it as 500 shares. Should we just take it as 500 shares? Put call ratio, they aren't giving any. Lot size 200 here. 200 here, guys, 200. So that's 8,000 rupees in the bag on this trade. We got 8,000 rupees out of this trade, 42. So 8,500 odd. Let's take it as about 3,40,000 on our profit now on 12 trades with 8 gains. So 8 out of 12 successes. That's amazing. Let's go to IGL now. I expected it to go up. Let's see what happened on the actual trade. No, let me see what trade. This is IGL, and this is a 4-hour chart. Let's go to an IGL 4-hour chart. IGL and a 4-hour chart. And what do we get here? Let's wait, guys. IGL 4-hour chart. IGL 4-hour chart. No, this is not the one that we should have been looking at. So maybe it was a futures chart. Let me check. Yeah, the futures chart. And what did we get? Did we get an entry? Oh, guys, we didn't get an entry into this one. So this trade is pending. We can get entry into this, and we still can score. So keep this on your radar. You can score with this chart. So that's 13 charts, 8 profits, and 3 in progress, 1 stop out, something like that. I'm keeping a mental math at this and not recording it, but you guys get the idea. So this was a Gujarat Ambuja. This is an update on a chart that I was raised on the last week, that is September 19th, that we scored with this. So that was something that we gave. Here is a trade on ICICI Bank, a 4-hour chart, and this was released on the 26th. Let's see, ICICI Bank 4-hour chart. ICICI Bank on a 4-hour chart. What happened to this trade? Let's see what happened to this trade. Yes, so we haven't entered this trade as yet. We yet to trigger. There's something that can happen in this week. So guys, IGL and ICICI Bank, we haven't triggered. We can get into these trades in this week. Keep it on your radar. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Apollo Tires. Yes, I think I scored with this. Apollo Tires, and I expected it to go lower. This was a 2-hour chart, and this trade was released on the 26th. This was, I think, an intraday move. Let me see what it was. Apollo Tires. What chart was this? This was the futures. Yeah, this is the futures chart, guys. So we'll have to go to the futures chart. We'll go to the futures chart, and on the 2-hourly, this looks more like an intraday trade. Yes, we scored with this, guys. We scored with this trade. In fact, it went way lower than my target, and it went down twice as much as I thought it would go down. But I scored with about 4.5, 5 points, and that's all that was. And let's see the lot size of Apollo Tires now. Let's see the lot size of Apollo Tires. I took this trade, but frankly, don't remember the lot size. There are so many stocks that you can't remember the lot size of everything. Now here we get to see the lot size. What is the lot size? 1,700, guys. So that's 5,000 more in the bag. That's 340,000 in gains and counting. 340,000 is what I'm counting. This was an intraday trade. 5,000 we could have gotten lower, more out of it with, but I guess it was an intraday trade. Now this is an MGL on a 4-hour. Let's see what MGL did in the 4-hour. MGL on a 4-hour. On a 4-hour, let's go to a 4-hour chart. Well, we haven't gotten entry into this stock as yet, or did we? No, we did not get entry into this stock as yet. Again, this could be on your radar, and as we go up, we might get a trade into this level. So this is probably the 14 chart with 8 successes. Not a bad ratio. 14 charts, 8 successes, 1 stop out, probably 5 in progress. That's an amazing result. Only 1 stop out, guys, out of 14. That's crazy. That's really crazy. 1 stop out of 14 charts. Now, what more can you ask for? This is Motorola futures 4 hours. Sorry, not Motorola, Hiromoto. I'm sorry. Hiromoto Corp. Guys, do you see here? Do you see here? This is not the one. This is not the one. You got to go to the futures chart. This is the futures chart and see how beautifully we got our targets. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. We got our target. This is like how many points? This is Hero Motors. And we have got roughly 56 points. Now let's look at the lot size here too. Hiromoto Corp. And what's the lot size here? Lot size is 300. So 300 into 55 is 15,000. So we're clocking at 350 or 360, guys. Let's take it as 355. 355 on the returns on 1 lot only per chart. This is the 15th chart with just 1 stop out. Am I right? Is it the 15th chart? Yes, I think it is a 15th chart. If I get my mental math wrong, please correct me. Let's go to Tata Power. Tata Power. Let's see what happened on this chart. 4 hourly, and this is the futures chart again. Tata Power on the 4 hourly futures chart. Oh boy, we missed the target by a very small distance, but we are still in the trade. I expect it to go higher, and this is a big lot size, guys. So let's just see how much profit you could have made. So this is a move which was worth about 2.85, about 10,000 profit you could have booked. But let's not take this chart in progress. No profit scored, 3.55. 4 trades in progress, 1 stop loss, and 8 or 9 successes. Not bad at all. Let's go to the next one. This is just an update on the Apollo tires. We already scored with this. Crystal, Cipla. Let's have a look at this trade. 1176. This was released on the 26th. 4-hour chart. How many charts I released, guys? How many charts I released in the week? This is too much trading. This is the futures, or what was it? Yeah, this was the futures chart on the 4-hour. Futures chart 4 hours. Let me check what I'm doing. 4 hours futures chart. Let me see what I'm getting here. Futures 4-hour. Cipla futures 4-hour. What am I getting here? Have we scored? No, we haven't scored this one. So this definitely looks like a stop out. This definitely looks like a stop out. because we went higher, we moved back in, but again moved lower. So this looks like a stop loss. So let's shave away 10,000 rupees from this trade. We're back to 350 odd on our profits, and this is the second stop loss in the week. We should have stop losses too. Can't be. The law of averages has to catch up on me. Let's go to the next one. So we were scoring. So in effect, actually, I think I made a mention on my group that we should trail the stops to cost. Guys, I'll be true to myself. And as per my strategy, I would not lost money there. We did get a move. See, we did get a move. So I'm not going to lose money on a move like this. I'm going to stop out once the move comes here. So I'm not counting my losses here. 355 is what we have. The losses are taken back. I'm not going to take a loss here. Then we have Birlasoft. Let's see what happened on Birlasoft here. So this is Birlasoft, 4 hours on the Birlasoft. Let's see, Birlasoft on the 4 hours. Not in the futures, sorry. You're not in the futures here. You're only on this. And this is a 4-hour chart. And what have we done? Guys, what do you see here? Did we score? Oh, this is another chart. 4-hour, maybe that trade which happened, I have released from my system and we want to a future trade. So let's track what the chart looked like. We were supposed to go down. This was the 26th. We were supposed to go down from 480 to 478. Let's see what happened on the 26th. So 29th, I'm going to go to chart replay. I'm going to take it down to the 26th. 27, 26, 9:15. What did we track here? Did we get a track here? Did we reach, what are the figures here? Let me see the figures. So did we track 478 after that move? So we'll go try and see if 478 was created. Let's see if 478 was created. We went down. Oh, yes, we did get to 478, guys. Did you see that here? 478 was tracked. So we did get this also. This is a 2000 lot size. I know this because I trade this very often. So 2000 and we got about 5 points. So that's 10,000 in the backs. That makes it 365. Now there's more than 10 charts out of 15 that are scored. That's a 75% win ratio. And there are 3 charts out of those or rest of the 25 which are in progress. 75% hit ratio, guys. This is amazing. I'm going to stop here because the video is going to get too long. This is just a trailer of what we did in the last week. And imagine on 15 charts, you're going to make 3 lakh rupees just by signing on to my group. How amazing is that? This is just crazy results. And these are all live results. And these are trades. These are results which I'm showing you live in front of the screen on the WhatsApp recorded releases that I've made in the previous week, at the beginning of the previous week and through the week until the 26th. 15 charts, 10 or 11 have scored, and on one lot each, you're going to make 3,50,000, 60,000 rupees. And what is the cost that I'm asking you to subscribe? The cost of subscription is, believe me not, 1,500 rupees per month. It's not going to stay this way for a long time because seeing at the results, I'm going to be flooded with inquiries. And obviously, if my analysis is giving you these kind of results, I'm sure people can pay much more for it. So I'm giving you super value at 1,500 rupees a month. Imagine, is that possible? Would you get it anywhere? Well, I'm giving it because this is an introduction. I'm trying to prove to myself that whatever analysis I'm doing is working for all of us, and money is not the main drive that's driving me to get here. It's something else. It's the kind of time I've spent not making money from the markets, and having learned and felt that way, I am trying to let other people trade and not be in the same shoes that I was. So this is my give back to all the time that I spent, and I don't want that kind of time to happen to anybody else. This is my give back. So imagine, guys, 15 trades, 11 wins, and 3.6 to 3.7 lakhs profit in the bag in just 5 days of trading. What more can you ask for? So guys, I will be giving a link below. Now, obviously, these kind of results I cannot guarantee for the future, but this is something that I aspire to do. And if I'm getting these results, there's no way I should not be getting these results on a regular basis. And imagine, the week was difficult to trade. It was a sideways market. It was not a market that was booming like it was in the last 4-5 weeks before this week. So this was a very, very sideways week with no great moves in the Nifty and Bank Nifty and the indices. So there was not a lot of furor in this market to make, get these kind of moves, but we did get them. We did get them eventually. So sign up. These prices are not going to hold for long, I'm telling you, because these kind of results are going to flood me with inquiries and people are going to flood to join me. And obviously, when I have a good demand for my analysis, I'm going to raise my prices. That's the market mechanics. I'm not going to blame. I'm not going to be shy about that. These prices are not going to last. Please join the group and take advantage of these analysis, and let's all make money. The end idea is to make money and have fun while trading. So guys, please give me a like on this video and encourage me to give these kind of analysis and share with people, and help many people make money from the markets, because making money is one single thing that can improve everybody's life. Because a lot of things that we do in our lives, we are constrained by the amount of money that we would like to spend on ourselves and our family. And if we can have access to money by trading the charts, we should be able to help each of us live a better life. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do give me a like, do share some comments, so that that encourages me to do this kind of analysis and keep coming back with such videos. Look forward to being with you in the next video. Do subscribe to the channel too. And yes, again, I want you to join up my Swingers Club, and let's have a community that makes money every week. Thanks guys. Thanks a lot. Look forward to being with you guys again. Thank you.